Hello, my internet friends. It's your boy Muddy here. Welcome back to the channel. Bit overdue on this mural process video that you guys have been tuned into over on Instagram. So it's about time that I do a deep dive and talk about how this mural came about. Was it a paid gig? It was. And the experience overall, working with a client, it's been a while since I've done a commission, but it was a good time and it was a good learning experience. So let's get into it. All right, so this mural came about through me being on this platform called Book an Artist, which there is an app if you weren't aware, but this is basically a platform where potential clients post projects that they want to hire an artist for. They could be mural projects, they could be canvas projects, they really could be anything. I saw a Sprinter van project on there recently, but I heard about the platform through Instagram a couple years ago, and I joined and I created a profile, and honestly it was kind of dormant for 2 years, because when you first join you don't really have the permissions. Your profile is like an entry-level profile, so you can only apply to jobs when you get invited, and then as you complete jobs and you're able to message more clients, and from there you're able to send out more quotes and whatnot. But anyway, fast forward 2 years later, I get invited for this job with this client, and they reached out to me. They saw my portfolio, they liked my work, and they had an idea for a wall on their garage, for their home garage. This is a wall on the side of the garage, and it was a husband and wife, shout out to Gloria and Jim, who wanted this image of togetherness. And the key anchor of this piece was the Latin phrase in the middle, which I already forgot what it was. We will see it as I paint it. This is not scripted. I'm going off the dome here, just talking from the heart, if you couldn't tell. But the translation of the phrase was "all who labor are welcome." I believe it's a biblical phrase, and the idea was for the mural to represent different workers, different people, just all on a kind of a righteous path. They're all going to work, or maybe they're going to the same place. In this case, funny enough, they're walking down a path that leads to the door of the client's garage. So it's almost like, they all have different backgrounds. Some of them are students, some of them are chefs and business people and finance people or doctors, and they're all headed to the same place. That could be church, that could be Jim and Gloria's house, who knows? It's up for interpretation, but the message is that all who labor, all who work are welcome, all from different backgrounds, and so on and so speak. So a very positive message to anchor this piece. And Jim and Gloria came to me with a much busier design. And this happens in the art world, where now with ChatGPT you might receive a commission request where the client is they put a bunch of ideas into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT spits out an image that looks like it's fresh out of a Where's Waldo page. And what I mean by that is it's just very busy. So it really needs an artist to kind of trim it down and focus and anchor the image and the composition all together, which is where I came in. So initially they came in with this crazy Where's Waldo image, and I had seen this before, and that's my job as the artist, to be like, look, you want to simplify this and make it bolder, and the message you're trying to convey with this project will be a much more digestible message if we simplify it from this very busy image. And that's kind of what you're there to do as an artist. So they came to me with a budget, of course, for the project, and I'll be totally transparent so that, artists can learn from my experience in using Book and Artist. Book and Artist as a platform takes 20% off of your commissions, or I should say, let me rephrase, they take a 20% commission on what you earn from any project that you book through them. So in this case, we agreed on a price of $7,500 for this 10 by 20 foot wall, which, to be honest, was still below the rate that I wanted initially. But I just liked working with this client. They were very easygoing. They were very understanding. They were open to, my ideas on refining the design and simplifying the design. And it was worth working with them, to be honest. And I plan to invest in in some VR goggles, the MetaQuest 3s that you might have saw me put on in the beginning. Before we continue with the story time here, I just wanted to jump in and say that this video is sponsored by me, your boy, Muddy Works, if you will, my company, my art business, where I am taking mural commissions at the moment. If you are in the Chicagoland area or outside of the Chicagoland area, just reach out, comment the word mural, DM me on Instagram, email me, text me. All my contact info is in the flyer there. And let's start your free consultation. Let's transform a wall in your home, your business, your office, your garage, your shed. Really any wall that you may have. So don't hesitate to reach out. Let's create something cool together. And back to the story time. And I kind of justified taking working with a lower budget because I was like, look, I'm going to get the MetaQuest 3s. I've already simplified the design. And through using the MetaQuest 3s to present, the hand-drawn design that I came up with, I can cut down on my time that will be needed for this project, and it'll be my way to kind of build momentum for my business, as well as, build momentum on the platform. Because, like I said earlier, for 2 years, I could not get a job on there to save my life. Nobody was inviting me, and I couldn't apply to jobs unless they were like $1,000 or less. And I didn't really want any jobs that low. So with that said, I was like, okay, this is a little less than what I would want for a wall this size, but look, I'm going to use the help of technology to complete this project faster, and I'm going to use it to propel my mural business as well as, my activity and momentum on this Book and Artist platform. So that is why I'd say I took less than I initially would have asked for a wall of this size. And to be honest, I think my original ask was $10,000. Their original budget was $5,000, so we kind of met in the middle at $7,500. And with that said, we came up with a price that worked for both parties. We both agreed, and we were on our way. I painted this mural. Like I said, I created the design digitally on my iPad, and then I used Stencil VR, which is an app on the MetaQuest 3 goggles, to project the design onto the wall. And in doing so, I was able to, get the sketch done in like a day, less than a day, because it was summer, it was hot. I was doing like 3-hour days, and this took like 4 days, I'd say, 4 to 5 total. And I think within the first day I had the sketch done already, and I was already like filling in some of the colors. So that was great. But aside from that, I'd say this was a good exercise in getting my, stepping up my muscle memory with spray cans. I did the whole thing almost pretty much entirely with spray cans. I outlined some of the characters with a paint marker, but then I ended up going over it with spray cans. So it was like a combination of spray can and paint marker for the outlines, but for the color fills, it was all spray cans, just swapping out caps and, you know, filling in the colors and whatnot. And yeah, it was a great time. It was a great experience. I got to really flex my, you know, skills a little bit and practice my skills, because I hadn't done a piece of this size 100% with spray cans. So that was a fun experience for me. And it was fun to see, you know, everybody kind of watching it progress and just really enjoying the view as I went along. And yeah, highly recommend you guys check out Book an Artist. This isn't an ad, I wish it was, but I think it's a good way to, you know, maybe land your first project if you're just up and coming or just starting your mural business like I am. So good times there. I'm planning to keep using the app. Keep in mind that 20% commission is rough, because like I said, we agreed on a price that was lower than what I wanted, but and then after the, you know, Book an Artist took their cut, I ended up with $6,000, which is pretty much way lower than I would have initially wanted for this wall. But nonetheless, you know, what matters is I got another wall on my portfolio. It was my first paid mural. I had done like 5 murals before this, but none of them were paid. So I'm calling it my starter. You know what I mean? So with that said, it was a good time, and yeah, no complaints there. Looking forward to the next one. If you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you would leave a like, subscribe, a comment. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'm probably going to do another separate video just talking about the experience using the MetaQuest goggles. So stay tuned for that. Until next time, peace.